Inboxes. You've got one for your house, you've got one for each of your emails, and even one at work. So why don't you have one for your desk at home? These may seem overly formal and businessy, but we are here now to discuss why you need to bring one home. There's a reason why these things have persisted for so many years. You might not have put very much thought into it in the past, but these simple items can definitely level up your efficiency, allowing you to get even the most tedious tasks done faster. How can you translate sitting an empty box on your desk to boosting performance in seemingly unrelated areas of your life? Well, that is exactly why I'm here today. Right now, we are counting down the top 10 reasons why you need an inbox on your desk now to boost your efficiency. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all our fresh content. If you like learning with us and growing your mind, please give us a thumbs up. This small show of support helps us out so much and also allows others to find our content easier when they need it. So go ahead and pay it forward. Mail. So, what do you do with the mail when you bring it inside? You flip through it. You look at the sender's address. Finally, you drop it on your kitchen table. I could be wrong. Maybe you have a shelf beside your door and that's where it's left. In any case, let's take a trip back in time to Productivity 101, the 2-minute rule. You really should be handling these things right away. First, separate and toss out all of the junk mail. If you're not able to deal with the bills or any letters that require response right away, you should have a place to put these items where they will not be lost or forgotten about. This place is not the bookshelf beside the door. This place is your inbox. Toss any mail or bills that you cannot get to right away into your inbox. This is the perfect place for them to sit and marinate until payday or until you can craft a response. Drop off. If you live with other people, having an easy place for them to leave things with you is really helpful. Your inbox is particularly useful for this. Whether they're dropping off your mail or your blow dryer, just tell them to leave it in your inbox on your desk. Now you both know exactly where it is or where to look for it. This is also a great place for them to leave things for you when you're deep in focus. Clear clutter. Sometimes, items just don't have an evident home. You need to get to them sooner rather than later, so putting them away might be counterproductive. Being able to put these items in your inbox will ensure that you will get to them in a timely fashion, and they can be put away after that. Your inbox is also a great place for quick notes to yourself to add things to your to-do list, which you can then organize and add to your planner or assignments later. Don't you hate when you're working on a project and suddenly you have an amazing idea for something that you can add to a different assignment? Quickly write it down and toss it in your inbox and then get back to the task. You won't forget about that incredible idea because it's written down, and your focus is not broken because you did not actually fully interrupt yourself from what you were working on. Having an organized place to put these things in a pinch will also stop clutter from building up on your desk or post-its from piling up on your laptop and whiteboard. Having a clear workspace will reduce stress and give you more room to operate. Not ready to do. Sometimes you're just not ready to get to things on a given day. As with the bills we mentioned earlier, or maybe you're just not mentally ready to sit down and do a certain task. Having an inbox that you empty daily will allow you to prioritize which task you complete and when. Start by going through it and organizing the items in order of difficulty or the order in which you feel like completing them. Warm up with some of the quick pieces that you can handle immediately. Then work your way up to the ones you are dreading. Once you've gotten your productive juices flowing and you are sufficiently inspired to get things done, you can tackle the chores that are accompanied by the dread. You know when you're done. Emptying your inbox will give you a great sense of accomplishment. You can ride that high for the rest of the day or use it to finish off your night. When your inbox is empty, you know you are finished. There is nothing left that you are putting off. This is clearly defined and unmistakable. It will also keep you from allowing work to pile up. Simply check and complete each possible article in your inbox each day. Increase efficiency. Tackling your inbox, one item at a time, will allow you to dedicate your full efforts to a single task. Once it's completed, it can be put away and you can move on to the next. Having a place to put new items or ideas that you come across while focusing on a project will help you to avoid interruptions to that task. This simple tweak can increase the efficiency of your work. If you remove multitasking, you can devote your complete attention to the task at hand and get it done quicker. Keeps you on task. Sorting your inbox into like tasks, then completing them individually, will help you to avoid distractions. Once you're in a particular rhythm, finishing up these responsibilities will be quicker. Having a clearly defined mission with a start and end will also make it easier to stay on focus until its completion. At that time, you can address any distractions. Minimize interruptions. Interrupted by a person, a phone call, or anything else demanding your attention? Add it to your inbox. Adding little notes to your inbox about the nature of the interruption, even if it's just a random thought of your own, works great because it allows you to finish up the task you are working on, then give the interruption your full attention. It will take you much longer to leave the task, address the intrusion, return to the task, figure out what you were doing, then return to being as productive as you were before the initial interruption. Just allow yourself to finish what you're doing, then deal with the intrusion. Quick and easy clean. At the end of a work or study session, clear off your desk. This will give you a fresh start when you return. If there are any tasks left unaddressed, or if you are not able to complete a job, add it back to your inbox exactly as is. This will not only allow you to keep your workspace clear and decluttered, but it will also allow you to more quickly pick up where you left off. Never forget important tasks. Keeping important papers and bills in your inbox will ensure that they are never forgotten. Sometimes it is easy to overlook something when you put it away. Even more commonly, you will remember that they need to be addressed at the most inopportune times. You know what this looks like when you're laying in bed late at night, or when you're out with your friends and you can't actually address the problem. When you wake up the next morning, you have this nagging feeling that you're forgetting something, but it takes hours or days to remember what. Adding these items or notes about them to your inbox will ensure that you are reminded of them while you are sitting down and ready to take care of things. These little notes can be tackled directly or added to your planner and scheduled. And there you have it. Inboxes do not have to be the black hole of the work desk, nor do they have to be dreaded. Inboxes can be incredibly useful in organizing your life and making sure that no balls are dropped at home or at work. Adding an inbox to your desk can increase the efficiency and productivity of how you address your responsibilities every day. Do you have an inbox on your desk now? Did this list inspire you to add one? What is the system to go through and complete its contents? Leave these answers in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single video. If you are so inclined, give us a thumbs up so we know you want more videos like this. Also, check out our website to get exclusive content and study materials. Just click the link in the description. Or, since you're already here, check out our study hacks and our organizational tips playlists to help you stay on top of not only schoolwork, but life as well. Be absolutely prepared, absolutely confident, absolutely stunning, with absolutely studying.